Welcome to my YouTube channel English Exports Vegetables Name with Picture. Carrot, carrot. Tomato, tomato. Onion, onion. Potato, potato. Lettuce, lettuce. Cabbage, cabbage. Broccoli, broccoli. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Spinach, spinach. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Green beans, green beans. Peas, peas. Corn, corn. Radish, radish. Celery, celery. Cucumber, cucumber. Zucchini, zucchini. Eggplant, eggplant. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Beetroot, beetroot. Tinder, tinder. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd. Bitter gourd, bitter gourd. Colocasia, colocasia. Maple leaves, maple leaves. White goosefoot, white goosefoot. Spring onion, spring onion. Serpent gourd, serpent gourd. Mouse melon, mouse melon. Raw papaya, raw papaya. Raw banana, raw banana. Radish pods, radish pods. Natal plum, natal plum. Mustard greens, mustard greens. Lotus root, lotus root. Lemon, lemon. Lady's finger, lady's finger. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Green mustard, green mustard. Green chili, green chili. Green beans, green beans. Brinjal, brinjal. Capsicum, capsicum. Broad beans, broad beans. Fenugreek leaves, fenugreek leaves. Yam, yam. Curry leaf, curry leaf. Asparagus, asparagus. Kale, kale. Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts. Artichoke, artichoke. Mushrooms, mushrooms. Garlic, garlic. Ginger, ginger. Leek, leek. Shallots, shallots. Avocado, avocado. Radicchio, radicchio. Bok choy, bok choy. Okra, okra. Swiss chard, Swiss chard. Watercress, watercress. Fennel, fennel. Turnip, turnip. Jicama, jicama. Arugula, arugula. Parsnip, parsnip. Kohlrabi, kohlrabi. Scallion, scallion. Cilantro, cilantro. Dill, dill. parsley, parsley. Chives, chives. Thyme, thyme. Rosemary, rosemary. Basil, basil.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down. YouTube.